Prior to having the procedure done, I had partials on the top, and when you ate, it would sometimes come out. And you couldn't eat a lot of things like corn on the cob and steak, and I got kind of used to it. I didn't know there was a better way.
When I first met Joyce, she had been to a previous dentist in Sherman 3 to 4 years earlier, and unfortunately her upper denture that was retained by implants was failing. The denture was starting to break. She had 2 implants that were loose, and she had another couple that were on their way out. So hers was really a reconstruction from the ground up to rebuild foundation, take out the existing dentistry, and really start over again.
Dr. Shoemaker explained to me, and he showed me some pictures of his previous work, and we talked about it, and he was very nice, made me feel comfortable. That's an important part right there.
Unfortunately for Joyce, when you have implants failing, they generally fail because of a lack of bone. So now we have a compromised situation where the implants have to come out, healing has to occur, new bone has to be grown. Sometimes a skin graft is necessary also. So this can slow things down. We can end up with a great result, but the patient has to be patient and knowing that we're going to get to the finish line, but having to redo a case is always more complicated.
Well, it's hard to say because I was shocked. It went so well, and when it was finished, it just did wonders for me. I felt more confident and more comfortable. Mainly, I could eat better.
Joyce now has a great mouth. She has a healthy mouth. She has implants on top and bottom. We went ahead and did the bottom. She has fixed teeth on top and bottom. Her implants aren't going to get loose because they're built in such a way and they attach the teeth in such a way that it's really strong.
I would recommend Dr. Shoemaker because he makes the whole experience easy. It makes all the difference in the world.